back again with me, Jufe. Hello. And this time, we are going to, like always I do in here, is to explain my practicum report. But for today, my practicum report is for my multimedia class, and this is the second one. So let's just start it. Okay, so for this practicum, we've been told to make a website or something like that that can show explanation about uh, much format of picture like PNG, JPG, and SVG. And this website must have footer and header. And if we click one of the card here, we will go to its destination, and we can see the example of the format picture. And it is also apply for the other format. And we also told that the picture can be hiding again. Also the header and the footer will follow everywhere when I switch page. So dynamic and stuff. Yeah, like that. Okay, so for this website, in the HTML page, first for the header and its navigation, we use of course nav class and also some division here, and also on click and so page. Now move to yeah, here is a line for mobile, so if I open it on my headphone or whatnot, it's going to make the layout preferably with handphone layout. Then we have the main class. First, we have the home, back session, active here, which have the title and its description. And then for the format card, we're using division class with mostly grid, and also use usual paragraph, page, and button. Now for the each section, PNG, SVG, and JPG, we put it in on section ID. Also, in each ID there is the penjelasan, or to say explanation, and the picture. Also, it worked for both the other two also. And in the footer, division, and also we put our name and remind here. In the JavaScript logic that I use, first is so page ID function. Since this is a single text application, this function handles the navigation. It first selects all elements with the all class page section and removes their active class, effectively hiding them. Then it takes the page ID parameter, like PNG or JPG, finds the specific section by its ID, and adds the active class displayed. It also updates the navigation bar styling so the user knows which page they are currently on. Second is the toggle image format function. This controls the button on each format page. When clicked, it checks if the image container has the hidden class. If it's hidden, it removes the class to show the image. Change the button next to sembunyikan gambar, and change the button color from green to red using tiling classes. If the image is already showing, the else box runs. It hides the image again. You set the text to tampilkan gambar and return to the button color back to green. It's simple yet effective toggle logic. For the styling, I mainly use Tailwind CSS, which is the utility for CSS framework. As you can see, in my HTML tags, I use classes like background green 700 for the background color, text white for the font color, shadow strip IG for box shadows, and rounded X1 for rounded corners. This makes the design process very fast and ensure the website is fully responsive on mobile device. However, I also wrote some custom CSS inside the style tag in head. I created a class page session by default is display set to none. When it gets the active class, the display becomes black and it triggers simplified fade-in animation. This creates a smooth transition when user navigate between page. I also add a custom background checkboard by using CSS line gradients to simulate a transparent canvas for the PNG demonstration that I explained just before. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for today. I meet you guys in other occasion. Bye bye.